Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Zandile Mafe. The man accused of starting the fire that gutted parts of parliament is now also facing a terrorism charge. Zandile Mafe has made a second appearance in the Cape Town Magistrate Court on Tuesday morning. He had to undergo psychiatric evaluation after his arrest earlier this month, and it's been found that he suffers from paranoid schizophrenia. He requested that the matter be adjourned for him to consult with his client. Dali Mpofu said that they received 3 documents from the state on Tuesday morning, includes preliminary psychiatric report. The state wants Mafe to be admitted to the Valkenburg facility for 30 days. The defense argued that he should be released on bail. Do you think Mafe is being used as a scapegoat? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.